Welcome. Today we'll be dealing with Wassce 2019 Mathematics Objective Test. We'll be solving question 17. If 3p equals 4q and 9p equals 12, find the value of pq. So you said 3p equals 4q. This is equation 1. And we have that our 9p equals 12. That's our equation 2. Now, if 9p is equal to 12, it means our p is equal to what? 12 divided by 9, and that should be 4 over 3, and this is the value of our p. Now the second question says 3p equals to what? 4q. Now to find q, we know our p is, let me write it up here, p is 4 over 3. Now we want to find our q. 3p equals 4q, and our q and our p is what? 4 over 3. So we substitute 4 over 3 in this equation, in equation 1. So now if we put 4 over 3 in place of p here, we have 3 multiplied by 4 over 3 equals 4q. 3 multiplied 4 over 3 equals 4q. Now this 3 cancels this 3, so 4 equals 4q. Our q in this particular question becomes 4 divided by 4. So q is equal to what? Q is equal to 1. Now the question is asking us to find pq. That's p multiplied by q, and we just discovered that our p is 4 over 3 and the q is 1. So the answer will be what? 4 over 3 multiplied by 1, which is the same thing as 4 over 3. So the answer of this for this question is actually not here. The answer should be 4 over 3. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.